Okay, well, whenever you're creating content or presenting or organising content in Canvas, it's useful to start with the modules page because that's a dedicated content tool. And it's worth taking a moment or two just to think about the language that we're using here because it is a little bit confusing. We all teach on modules, they're part of our programs, and every module that you're teaching on will have its own Canvas course that has the same module code and module title and so on. And within those Canvas courses, you'll find a page called the modules page. And the module within Canvas is effectively a block of content. And your modules page will have all the blocks of content that you've created and which comprise the content on your module. And you can see here that each block or each module on this page corresponds to a week of study, and that's a fairly typical approach. The module blocks are quite powerful because they're very easy to use. If you're new to Canvas, you'll get to grips with these very quickly. To create a new module, you just click the Add Module button, add a bit of information, and off you go. And once you've created a module block, if we scroll down a bit, we'll see a fresh one here, week 5. I can just start to add content by clicking on the Add button. If I wanted to add a page, for example, I could just select Page from this drop-down list, and I could either create a new page or I could add an existing page. And this is a list of all the pages that are currently on this course. So modules are powerful because they're easy to use, but they're also powerful because they allow you to bring lots of different types of content together. So here we've got pages and we've got web links, different types of information in other words, but they're brought together with activities like quizzes and discussion forums and so on. So the modules page is an excellent place to start, but it isn't the only way that you can add content. The modules page is extremely accessible. It's fully usable with screen readers and other assistive technologies, and it's very useful for any student. All students can use it to find the content that they need at any point in time, but it is rather linear and it is very text heavy. It isn't very attractive. If you want to be able to organise your content more flexibly, you can do so on a page, and we've provided several templates which will allow you to get started with pages very quickly. This is a typical template page. It's got some images on it, but you can change those, they're just placeholders, and you can start to add content, control your text, organise the layout of your page, and that allows you to do a number of things that we're going to look at in the other video clips on this section.